Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom theme on Kajabi. All right, so first up, we would need a starting point. Okay, starting point. In other words, we're going to select a template and then we're going to customize that template. All right, now for example, you go head over to websites right here and then click on design. You have a ton of options right here in the template store. Okay, just click on it. Now, if these templates right here isn't enough, you can go ahead and click on Kajabi Legacy Templates right here, or you can go ahead and buy from the template marketplace. Just click on Take Me There. I'm just going to go ahead and open this one in a new tab right here. Okay, as you can see here, these ones are beautiful. If you want to, you can go ahead and buy from one of these templates. Okay, now for example, we're going to use just the free ones, maybe this one right here, the creative one. Just click on it and make sure to click on Add to Save Templates. Okay, once done, just wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll be landed back to the design tab. All right, just go ahead and scroll all the way down, and here we have the creative template. So if you want to, you can just go ahead and straight up customize this one from here, or you have the option to download this as a zip. Okay, right here, export as a zip. You can see here, it says template exported to email. So just go ahead and open up your emailing service that is connected to this account. All right. Now, if you don't want that, just go ahead and scroll down again and just click on customize right here. So again, as this title suggests, we would create a custom theme. As you can see here, our background is yellow. If you want to change that to whatever color you wanted, just click on the background itself. Now go ahead and go to the bottom left and click on background. And here, just scroll down and find the background color right here, or you can go ahead and choose transparent. Okay, like so. Maybe I'm just going to use this color right here, like that. Okay, just click on a block, change your background color, maybe this color as well. Okay, just make it however you like it to be, and that's it. If you want to change the image right here, just click on edit. This image right here can be used as a clickable link or a clickable button that will redirect to a link or a website. Just make sure that the image icon right here is set to whatever you like. For example, go to URL or download a file, something like that. Okay. And that is it. That's how you create a custom theme on Kajabi. Now, once you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and hit on save. Now go back. In your design section, here we have our saved template. And as you can see here, it's been changed. Okay, you can go ahead and click on three dots and export this one. And whenever you make changes right here, your exported zip won't be changed. You can go ahead and upload the zip. Just make sure that you are here in the save template section and just click on upload template, right? And click on from my device or Google Drive, even Dropbox or even a link. That's how you create a custom theme here on Kajabi. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.